Hi, I'm Shannon. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the new Cardmaker swatching kit. This kit was designed with our fellow card makers in mind. We know part of the fun of card making is trying all the new and different coloring media out there. This kit is what you need to easily make personalized swatches from the media you have, helping you stay organized and learning more about your supplies along the way. In this kit, you will find our 5x7 color swatches stamp set and the 2x3 swatch stamp set. These stamps will help you make single swatches, swatch charts, tonal charts, and color mixing charts. We have videos showing you how to use them, and you can find the link in the description below. As card makers, we have a bunch of acrylic blocks and stamping positioning tools, but having a dedicated stamp mount will definitely streamline your process, such as this Martha Stewart stamp mount included in this kit. It is the perfect size for the 24 swatches stamp. I keep mine on there all the time so that I can take it out whenever I need for a swatch or a quick warm-up. The foam feet allow me to align my grids before I stamp, making it very easy to create continuous charts. You will also find this Micron waterproof pigment pen in black in this kit. You can use it to fill out your watercolor swatches and charts with no fear of bleeding or smearing. On top of all that, we have included 2 sheets of watercolor paper by B Paper to get you started right away with this kit. This 6x9 140-pound watercolor paper is also available in a 25-pack at waffleflower.com. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you again soon.